To add photo to frame in Canva Mobile, I will come over to Photo Editor. From here, you want to select the photo you want to add to a frame. I'm going to click on this photo, which opens it up on this interface. From here, I'm going to click on this checkbox to create a design with this photo. Now my image has opened as a design. I would check this up and go into elements. You want to come down here to see the categories and let's select frames. We're going to go with a circle frame. I'm just going to pull it out to fill out this purple line that is highlighted. You can actually use your fingers to do this. And I'm going to click on this image that we are editing. And I'll just drag it and pull it into the frame. To edit the image, you want to click on the frame. You can scroll down here to find the crop. Once you click on crop, it's going to give you opportunity either to stretch out your image, to zoom into it, or you can just double tap with your fingers. It does the same thing.